Afia Schwarzenegger said, "Wo bia kana no ntum because when we say a year Reverend Charlotte Odro, one in the crew a year Prophet Odro wari go ni buy no nipa bebre keke bi wo hwemu a year Christiana Wuni e de nano abetum a year Councilor Rutros so anu ne nemu kasa fa ho Sister Afia se obi anka na tuna sa wo hwemu pa anka na mama Mcbrown no kwan say na wari egu because wo hwe qualities ni nyina wo bi edi ntina e wo se na wari egu ana nti obi anka na no ntum na wo se se wo ye obi a wura wari mu nkwa wari da aya na obi a wari egu ana ye mu de na mu kasa no se ba wari mu nsem na hwe ne a emma ni bi efam wa wari ni mu a aya na anu odin nti Sister Afia se wo bi anka na no ntu obi a sabi obi an shut up because munnim ne ye frɛ na wale obi anka na no ntum obi a menka bim my hwe Sister Afia mra
Mama say that you know how many weeks in it, how many years, and as of Mama feeling a check, and mom that you know nation prophet also bempa waware 9 nini na gu munya jimi no o mama no papa te ho no kobusa wo mama the abuse she's enduring in the name of kobusa mama aya no mama nsa no onka wo papa kwase na asem chiro. Before you come and jubilate over somebody's downfall, what have you achieved? What have you achieved? When I was saying, you have failed, so you are happy somebody's failed. Well, marriage is not a ticket to heaven. What tiny woman when the doors were tiny, Obienu obeti ya hemo ni makajem say Jimino ya yi meana meka. What tiny woman when the doors, what tiny team muno. Fabi before one say. Achieve something with your life and stop hating on people doing something with their life. What's the Americano? Do something with your life and stop hating on people doing something with their life. You people are saying a lot. Obaye, when you are and Kobiawa you should cultivate the habit of be happy for people, be sad for people. That is Christianity. Christianity is love. You should cultivate the habit of be happy for people, be sad for people. Bible see anyone more musu. Sana Bible can would you be yeah. You are happy about everybody's downfall. And I want to ask you, is that person the reason why your mother is useless? Jimino dos wo kromodu Jimino the enramo ye no wa wo ye bibia chese wo ya boa ya ntete wa wo ye no wo chese nyansa eni ufie. I'm telling you, me that woman, I don't like her utterances, but I will not come here and sit down and say, hey, and then I want you and we are poor and so saying, wow, we are poor. That depicts your stupidity. Well, we are sad, me catch up with her, and you yourself, you know, said you are stupid. You are very, very stupid. You lack wisdom. What Jimmy Ankasa? We are nipa and says, did you be? Yes, she be good cramano and way. What Jimmy Ankasa? Whoever is doing some, we are very stupid. I ask you people again, your Madam Perfect, Mcbrown, and where you go? And also, what can you have at home? You people are very stupid. You lack wisdom. What Jimmy? When you want to show my muso, you can't say so one pekunu or when they do, or when they did kind of her. One more church, some I mean, I you go. Or more church, no. You can't say, as soon as formula, or when they did kind of mobile bomb pie chapa. Mobile bomb pie. Now, when you have been so, who may not cause some penny this hour, do we sequence? Wo bia nkana no ntuma mpaye se obi abodwe se na wasansuo asiu de ho ai aware no ho aware mu nsem na ya na obi de ba no wasusu aka de betumi abesa wo kon awale no so ye mfa nko heaven tie me mfa nchekire ye hu bebre sa hekwe atwa makraw ye mu odin